What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today we are going to be doing some revs and flybys with the full Remus exhaust system. So that will be the Remus front pipe and their Valvetronic exhaust system. Let's jump right into the video. We got a little intervention. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, you guys know I always come use this spot over here to do some exhaust revs, do a little flyby here and there, out of the way, out of sight. Nobody's usually here. I see they're actually doing some construction now. There's actually one lane here. This is actually supposed to be blocked off. You got to drive on the other side of the lane. So, and they got all that dirt and debris sitting right here. So this is a big unexpected convenience, because if you guys have been watching my videos, I think I did like the full bolt-ons rev here with the HN Civic SI and everything. I believe that was the one I did the drive-bys, the full wide open pull. The HN SI threw a flame out the exhaust. It was crazy. That was unexpected, but I caught it on video, so that was insane to see that on video. But now it kind of sucks, but guys, I'm gonna make something happen. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the trunk, and after this video, like in the next few minutes or so, this is gonna get thrown on. So she is about to get extra loud, and this is from the UK, so stay tuned guys. This is from the UK. It's a very special, probably rare part that a lot of people don't have on their Type R. I don't want to say it was rare, but you rarely see a lot of people have this part. So I cannot wait to put this on the car. Yes, it's going to be a bit more louder, so I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek on that. So this is about to get like installed. The process is about to start in like 30 minutes, so I kind of have to hurry up this video. But I also wanted to give you guys the opportunity, if you guys wanted to get a Remus exhaust, how would it sound with just the front pipe and the cat-back Valvetronic system? So I'm gonna do some revs and stuff for you guys, so you guys can hear it before the big surprise go on there. So let's jump right into the video. So smash like button for the teaser. It's gonna help the channel a lot. And we got, like I've been saying, guys, got a lot of stuff for the Type R on the way, so stay tuned. But let's jump right into the revs. Alright guys, so this is completely open, so I'm gonna go ahead and close it. So that is completely closed, and you guys can hear the whole idle and everything change. that was completely closed. Now we're gonna open it back up. So this is what, 20%. I'm gonna show you guys how 20% sounds. So this is 50% open. So the next step we're gonna do is do some drive-bys, and I'm gonna completely open it, close, 20%, 50, 100% open. So we're gonna do some drive-bys with it completely open. So this is Remus front pipe with cat-back Valvetronic system. So with the construction going on right here, I'm gonna go ahead, and I guess somebody's still working over there, but I'm not gonna go all the way down there. I'm gonna use half of this over here. So let me get you guys those old school sick drive-bys. it sounds pretty good. This exhaust system has no drone inside of the cabin. It sounds really good. You do hear some sound, but it's not like crazy loud or nothing like that. So it's like the perfect tone, sound, everything. There's no drone. You can have a conversation in the car with the valves open, with the stock downpipe still. It's amazing, and it sounds really good. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys some like in person inside of the car. See if you guys can hear it. So you guys can see this car has no drone. So I'm doing what, above a little over 2,000 RPMs. No drone, nothing. Everything is, you guys can hear me talking perfect. It's not annoying, it's not drony. It has like a nice deep tone to it. It sounds good. If we go up more in third gear, you guys can still hear me. The tone gets a little bit like deeper. It doesn't get annoying or nothing like that. It is not loud at all. It has a nice deep tone. It has a nice deep tone with just the front pipe and the cat-back system alone. Like it sounds really nice. So you guys might be hearing the air condition too, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. So I'm gonna do like 2,000 and then go up to like maybe 4,500 so you guys can hear it. See? And that's about all the sound that you really get. The tone gets louder, but it doesn't get like raspy or nothing. The tone just gets deeper and it sounds good. There's no drone at all. It sounds pretty good. So second gear, third gear, you can hear second and third gear has like a nice little pop in there. Second and third gear from around like 2,500 to 3,000. Second and third gear, you would get like a little pop, which is pretty nice. And sometimes even third to fourth, you would get like a pop. And sometimes, like, depending on the temperature and everything, pops. It makes a nice little loud pop. And I was like, oh shoot, that thing sounds like a bang. It sounds more than a pop. It sounds like a bang. And I'm like, oh man, that sounds pretty good. And it's not like super loud, but it gets that nice little bang or pop sometimes up there depending on the temperature. I feel like that day was like really hot and I was just shifting through the gears and it just went pop, and I was like, oh shoot. And I was like, what was that? But yeah, it was bouncing off the walls and everything, and I was like, man, that's amazing. It's really not loud. It's perfect in between tone. If you didn't want a system that was like super loud but have a nice tone, and you have kids and if you want to close that valve anytime and go back to stock, this is perfect. If you want to go have it open, have that deep little sound to it, and be able to have that nice second to third gear pop, third to fourth gear pop as well, I would say this is perfect. This is perfect. But if you want a little bit louder, then stay tuned for the next video for sure. But that's where we're about to head to now. We're about to head to put that on, so bear with me guys. Stay tuned for what's coming. So it's coming down to the end of the video. I'm about to finish editing up the video so I could drop it tonight. I want to thank all of you guys for showing so much love and support in the comment section on the last video and hitting the like button. I appreciate it, and I'm gonna leave you guys with this at the end of the video. I'm gonna be giving you guys value, sharing my experience with you guys, and I'm gonna say this: no matter how many times you level up, you always gotta continue educating yourself to be better and do better. But if you guys like this video, definitely smash the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new, because I'm dropping new content every single day for Vlogmas, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos drop. Also guys, I want to say in the video as well that you really get those pops sometimes, but the most times you get the pops more accurately is you have to drive the car in R+ mode. So that's just a tip. If you guys are looking to get the Remus exhaust, it is a amazing exhaust system. No drone, turbo whistle, deep exhaust note, sounds very aggressive. I highly recommend you guys, if you're in the market for an exhaust and you've been debating, highly recommend you guys get the Remus Valved Cat-back exhaust system. But that's it, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.